Peace, everybody, and welcome to Melanated Mathematics with Ancient Baby Brand, where we're infusing Black history and culture in our everyday math learning. In today's session, we got a great problem for you. Hopefully, you have a good time solving and you learn something in the process. Let's get to it. So, today's problem is Katherine Johnson was an amazing Black female mathematician who was responsible for NASA getting an astronaut to the moon. Wow. In her job, she was called a calculator because she could solve problems very quickly and accurately. Let's imagine that she could solve 50 calculations in an hour. If Katherine Johnson worked on calculations for 7 hours, how many total calculations could she complete? Okay, so Katherine Johnson, you probably know her name from the movie Hidden Figures. I'm going to read that problem one more time. Katherine Johnson was an amazing Black female mathematician who was responsible for NASA getting an astronaut to the moon. In her job, she was called a calculator because she could solve problems very quickly and accurately. Let's imagine that she could solve 50 calculations in an hour. If Katherine Johnson worked on calculations for 7 hours, how many total calculations could she complete? So you got the question, you got the problem, there it is. At this time, go ahead, pause the video, work out your solution, and hit play whenever you're ready to get back into it. All right, so if you're back, that means that you're ready to see a sample solution and see how yours matches up with what I have and what I'm going to show you on the screen. Okay, so here is the sample solution. Right, so first I outlined the important information. We know that there are 50 calculations per hour and 7 hours in all. Okay, so she's going to work for 7 hours, 50 calculations each hour. When I hear that, 50 calculations each hour, that means that I'm going to be repeating that number, right, or probably multiplying it. So in this sense, I did 50 calculations times 7 hours, and that would give us a total of 350 total calculations. That's a lot. Now, you might say, well, what if I'm not comfortable with multiplication? Well, the good thing is that multiplication is just the same thing as repeated addition, right? Adding the same number over and over. So in this case, we just can add 50 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And if you can do those addition pieces and put it all together, you end up with the same answer, the same